So good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Tanema Singhal, and I welcome you all on today's Q&A session. So you can put your the questions in the chat box. I'll first take the questions which are there in the Google form. So first question is from Zina. Latching, lactating and latching. Okay, so for lactating, I will just come in few minutes. Let more mothers join in. And for latching, you need to, if you are facing any kind of latching issues, then cross cradle hold works very well. And how to do a cross cradle hold? When if if you have to feed from the left breast, you have to hold the breast in U shape from below. Hold the baby from the other hand and make sure when you are bringing the baby towards the breast, the baby's head should be little extended, and then you bring the baby towards the breast. So that is a good way of holding the baby if you are facing any kind of issues in the latching. Next question is from Iyaka Pathi. Low milk supply, baby on first day not sucking right side nipple is too small, only left side sucking. So we are using formula milk up to 60 ml coming one side milk, right side only drops. So if you are facing low milk supply on the right side, then what you need to do every time you are like pumping or you are feeding the baby, you have to pump 5 to 10 minutes extra on the right side where the milk supply is less. So more demand, more supply, the same concept, it will work here. Next question is from Kiruba. My son is not latching on my right breast after breast sepsis and the nipple is flat now with low milk of 15 ml per day. So first work on your milk supply. Once the milk supply will improve, you can start working or more actively on baby's latch and that will give you better results. Next question is from Chetra. Pain during feeding, how to decrease lumps in the breast and how to prevent it. So lumps will always form if the milk production is more than milk emptying from the breast. Then it will form the lumps. So for decreasing the lumps, do oil massage and warm compress and latch the baby or pump. And how to prevent it, you need to regularly empty your breast. And pain during feeding may be because of lumps, the flow is less, that's why it would be happening. So make sure the baby is latching deep and is able to empty the breast properly. Next question is from Praveen Borkar. Baby is refusing to breastfeeding. She demands only bottle formula milk. Then if the baby is not coming on the breast, is the milk supply good? If the milk supply is good, then you need to work on the latching. If the milk supply is less, then you need to work on your breast milk supply. Ramya. Suddenly, from last few days, milk supply has become low following the same diet and medicines as prescribed earlier. Then there might be something that we need to work on or we need to change something, Ramya. So, because if that is not working, obviously you need to work or keep changing the medicine doses because the body gets used to that. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम नीलोफर. बेबी बॉर्न हुआ तब डॉक्टर ने पाउडर मिल्क पिलाने बोला. अब 45 डेज हुए मेरा बेबी ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग नहीं करता. तो पहले थोड़ा पाउडर मिल्क कम करिए, बच्चे को रेगुलरली फीडिंग कराइए, साथ में अपनी मिल्क सप्लाई पे वर्क करिए और लैचिंग पे काम करिए. ओके एंड ओके Okay, so rest most questions are low milk supply that I will answer right now. So for all the mothers who are facing low milk supply, you need to work on 3 steps. First, you have to work on improving the demand. So whenever the baby is asking for milk, just make sure that you are breastfeeding the baby, and after that you just pump for 5 to 10 minutes. If your baby is not coming on the breast, then obviously you have to work on your milk supply. You have to do the demand thing by doing pumping on your breast. Second thing is you need to take good hydration. For improving the flow, do oil massage and warm compress. Take galactogogues like this lactomagic powder and Morico tablets. Do skin to skin with your baby and be positive. And the last thing is track your baby's weight and track your baby's formula intake. So if you follow these 3 steps properly, the milk supply will start improving. That is one thing that you can work on improving your milk supply. Next question is Seema. I took treatment for low milk supply when my baby was 1 month old now. Now she is of 3 months old. Again, I see dip in my milk supply. Is it okay to restart the medication? So I don't know what medication was advised to you, Seema. You need to contact the helpline number. I have a call with the latch expert once. Let them see what issue happened now, and accordingly they will advise you that can you take the same medicines or not. Ramya, milk supply reduced suddenly even after following medication. So there would be something which you all are not following. See, if you're taking the medications but you're not working on your demand and supply, then the milk supply will reduce. I have told this every time while maintaining during the maintenance part that medicines are only a supporting factor. You have to keep working on your overall demand and supply, then only the milk will keep maintaining accordingly. iPhone user. As I am working on latching, I am not able to pump every 3 hours. Is it okay if I pump every 4 to 5 hours? If you are latching your baby every 2 to 3 hours, then I am okay that if you are pumping less. But after latching the baby, make sure the breast gets emptied. That you can check by pressing the breast and see the color of the milk. If the color of the milk looks thick white, then you need to pump for 5-10 minutes. If the milk color looks watery after breastfeeding, then you can leave. No need of pumping. Ramya, as mentioned by you, we need to change the medication or anything else. Please elaborate on that point. I don't know what was your last medicine, Ramya. I don't remember that. So first I need to see what was the last medicines, and accordingly I can let you know whether what happened, why did the supply decreased, or what happened. I need to first see that. I don't remember the history right now, Ramya. Okay, I don't see any new questions. Is there anybody who has any new questions to ask? Let me know in the chat box. If you're writing the question, please type wait. I will wait. Hatching is not happening, but I'm working on it. So I'm not able to pump every 3 hours. See, we need to empty the breast regularly. If the breast is not getting emptied, then we need to, obviously, how will we create the demand then? So if you're working on your milk supply, or your latching, that's fine. But we need to empty the breast by regular creating the demand. That has to be work. So if it is not happening, then obviously the milk supply will not improve. If you're focusing on latching but not working on your milk supply, the baby will also not latch properly. So we need to empty the breast regularly. उषाबा मैम, आपने जो बताया वो सब कुछ मैं 30 मार्च से कर रही हूँ, पर मिल्क अभी नहीं बढ़ा। 30 मार्च से भी आज 4 तारीख है, अभी 4-5 दिन हुए। उषाबा, पूरा 1 वीक कंप्लीट तो करिए पहले। Jyoti, hi ma'am, I feel that my milk supply drops during evenings. How can I improve it? Yes, it happens usually because prolactin levels is less in the evenings. It happens. So what you have to do, morning hours when you have better milk supply, you can pump at that time and you can replace with formula or any other milk in the evenings. Second thing is during afternoons, just take little rest and also try to keep the baby skin to skin during afternoons and like feed the baby frequently, so that will help to produce more prolactin for evenings basically. Seema, which technique is more effective, 10 minutes of hand expression or 10 minutes of pump? 10 minutes of pump and followed by 3 to 4 minutes of hand expression is more effective. Seema, is it okay to mix milk pumped different hours? Yes, it is okay. You can, like 24 hours milk you can mix in one and you can use it. Seema, thank you. You're most welcome, Seema. Yeah, initially to be advised to take 3 tablets 3 times in a day and 3 times milk and 3 times Lactomagic powder. Later advised to take 2 tablets a day and 3 times Lactomagic. I'm not sure. Do you talk to the team tomorrow, because this doesn't look, because I don't think this kind of maintenance protocol we give. I don't remember, Ramya, actually, such seriously, because 3 times of Lactomagic and 2 times tablet, I don't remember, because usually we keep it the same, 3, both the things. So why is it 3 was Lactomagic and 2 is tablet? See your protocol which was given to you previously. Just go through that. What happened? Are you following it properly? Because something is missing somewhere, Ramya. I am not sure, because 3 Lactomagic, 2 Morocco, I am not sure that was it advised this way, because usually we give it the same way. Okay. So I am not sure, Ramya, because I don't know how long back this is a case of. I don't remember right now. What you can do, you can have one call with whomever you took the consultation, and just have one call and discuss with them. Is it you are going properly? Is there anything else which has happened? Why did the milk supply drop, or are you feeling it? See, 22nd March. So today nearly 15 days are over. I don't think the milk supply should drop like this. It should not happen at all. So if it is coming down, what is the weight gain? If the weight gain is good, then don't worry about the milk supply. Just keep working the way you are doing it. And if anything else, then obviously you need to have a call with the expert, whomever you had your call last time. Okay. Question? Just let me know in the chat box. So I don't see any new question. I hope the questions were answered and the session was useful for you all. So take care, everyone. So see you all next Friday. Bye-bye. What iPhone? Is quality of milk different at different times? See, it will keep changing throughout day. Mornings, the milk supply will look better. Evenings, the milk supply will look lesser. This is natural. This is natural body. It will have the same kind of things. So don't worry about the quality. You just see the baby's weight gain. If the baby is gaining weight properly, then keep walking, keep moving, and don't worry about anything else. The most important thing is the weight gain. Ushaba, thank you, ma'am. You're most welcome. Okay. Okay. What is the average weight per week? Okay. So if your baby is less than 3 months, the baby's weight should gain by 150 to 200 grams per week. If your baby is between 3 to 4.5 months, your baby should gain around 100 to 150 grams per week. If your baby is between 4.5 to 6 months, baby should gain around 100 grams per week. Clear? For my gynecologist told me for not pumping. See, gynecologist is not your lactation consultant. What did your lactation consultant told you? I have a lot of gynecologists who are taking help from us. So I don't believe for lactation taking help from a gynecologist who doesn't like if you have followed the lactation thing from a lactation expert, follow them. Gynecologist is for your gynae or obs problems. Consult her for that. For lactation issues, please follow your lactation consultant. Jyoti, ma'am, after emptying, put my breast, baby gets cranky sometimes. After emptying, I'm not understanding your question, Jyoti. Ma'am, after emptying out my breast, baby gets cranky sometimes. So if the baby is getting cranky, then obviously you need to give the express breast milk or the formula for some time and keep working on your milk supply, Jyoti. So once the milk supply will be good, the baby will get adjusted on that. Which is the best nipple shield? Elongated nipple shield? No, not the elongated one. The smaller ones will be better with that. Jyoti, thank you, ma'am. You're most welcome. Okay, girls, take care. Bye-bye. Good night.